By what?
Singer.
Singer. Oh. Oh, that's why. Okay. So we're referring to being a dreamer as a personality. Are you a dreamer or a realist? Okay? So before that, we will answer that one later on. Okay? So we will be talking about literacy. Okay? The spelling is L-I-T-E-R, literacy. But it's pronounced as literacy. Like literature, right? It's literature. Literature. We omit the letter E. Like literacy. Literacy. Like literacy. Yeah, like literature.